Today's activity has to do with exploring gas and how the gas takes up space in the syringe. So the first thing we did was put a tube on the syringe and put the plunger in about halfway down. We close off the tube so that no air comes in or leaves. Clamp it shut, and then we push and pull to show how the gas can be compressed and expanded inside the syringe. At some point, the gas can't be compressed any further. And if we close off our air supply, you can see that the gas can't be pressed in anymore because the space between the particles, they can only get so close together. We also explored doing this together with a partner, where we put two syringes together, and we showed that as we press the particles together in one, it will push out in the other syringe. And again, if we push those particles in, the other one will come out. By pushing both of them together, we can only push them so far before the particles will push back and we can't push any farther. So we're talking about how the space between the particles in a gas can be compressed or expanded, but at a certain point those particles can't be spread or condensed or compressed any farther than they are.